Russian Spacewalk 58 will be conducted by Sergey Prokopyev, EV-1 in the red stripes, and Dmitri Petelin, EV-2 in the blue stripes. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress the Poisk airlock, turn on the helmet video and lights, and begin translation to the radiator on the Nauka Module using Strela 1, a telescopic pole that can be used as a crane to move crew and equipment around. After arriving at the worksite, the pair will work together to release a couple restraints, then fully deploy the radiator. Sergey will then translate Nader to the coolant fluid servicer. Dmitri will have a shorter translation to a nearby radiator interface panel. Sergey and Dmitri will coordinate with each other and Moscow Mission Control to manipulate the necessary manual valves and begin the transfer of coolant to the new radiator. While the radiator completes the coolant transfer, Dmitri will join Sergey at the European Robotic Arm, or ERA, end effector number 2. They'll work together to outfit ERA with a gap spanner using a temporary handrail that allows translation to the boom segment. After retrieving the temporary handrail, crew will translate to ERA's end effector number 1, where they'll repeat the process to install a second gap spanner. Dmitri will then translate back zenith to the radiator interface panel. The team will repeat the coordination from earlier to ensure the coolant fluid servicer has filled the radiator sufficiently. Once complete, they'll translate back to the Poisk airlock via Strela 1, where they'll perform a tool inventory, inspect each other's suits, ingress, and close the hatch, ending Russian Spacewalk 58.
Subscribe for more space.